Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy tuna curry. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious meal, ready in under 30 minutes. We will use readily available ingredients like 2 cans of tuna, 1 onion, and 2 tomatoes. You will also need 1 can of coconut milk and a few common spices to create a flavorful dish that everyone will love. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped for maximum flavor. First, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 ripe tomatoes. Next, prepare 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. This aromatic blend is key to a delicious curry. Finally, drain the 2 cans of tuna thoroughly, ensuring no excess liquid remains. This quick preparation sets us up for a smooth cooking process. Let's build the flavorful base for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes beautifully golden brown, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the chopped tomatoes and cook for about 5 minutes until they soften. Now, let's bring it all together. Stir in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and cook for 1 minute, allowing the spices to bloom. Pour in 1 cup of coconut milk and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Carefully fold in the drained tuna, ensuring it's well coated. Let it cook for about 5 minutes to heat through. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious, easy tuna curry hot with rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.